Hi guys, it's Colin from bashbackpain.com here, another video for you. Listen, a lot of people have said to me, hey Colin, the course that you do, the lower back pain recovery challenge, the sciatica pain challenge recovery work that you do, you mainly focus on the lower back region. Hey, I've got some herniated discs in my neck, do you have something for me? Yeah? Okay, listen, today I'm going to show you a particular decompression stretch for the cervical spine. Now it is specific for the level C4, C5, it's an El Doigt, which again, I cannot take credit for these stretches. I learned them many, many years ago from a very famous French osteopath, Dr. Guy Voyer. But I have used them myself. I actually have some end plate damage in my cervical spine from a mountain bike accident many moons ago. And I do this to stretch quite regularly to keep my neck moving well, stop any issues with my discs. Because some people can have disc herniations in the neck. You can get it through what's called the tech neck syndrome, forward head carriage issues, whiplash injuries. The disc can start to bulge. It can be protruding outside the back of the region of the neck there, pressing the nerves. You refer to nerve pain in your hand. You'll feel maybe you can't feel your fingers properly because there are lots of problems. So this particular stretch is going to help us decompress the cervical spine region, help to give those discs a chance to reabsorb, take some of the pressure off those nerves. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the stretch. Now, it is a little bit technical, so I'm going to teach you through a couple of things we need to do with the feet and hands in various positions. Okay, we're going to have to create a decompression within the cervical spine. For that to happen, we need to put various parts of the body into tension. So I'm going to show you a couple of things you have to do when we do the stretch for real. So number one is the feet position, okay? So my feet are in front here. Now I can turn my outside edges out, or I can turn the inside edges in, okay? Or inside of my ankles come in, outside of my ankles, they go out. We're going to be having the outside of the edges of the feet and the ankles turned out, okay? We do the stretch for real, that's the position this side of the feet will be in. Now the toes, you want your toes can go forward, okay, you can push forward like that with your ankles, or you can bring them back towards your knees. We're going to bring them back towards our knees. That's the position we're going to have our feet in, okay? Hands is also very important. We're going to be rotating our arms, not with the fingers to the ceiling, we're going to rotate them around like so. Okay, so basically inside of my arm is going to be facing back up towards my nose, all right? Now when I do the stretch for real, then you'll understand it's all going to make sense, okay? So we're going to get into the stretch in a second. Just remember, outside edges out, toes towards my knees. Okay, inside edges of my arms, here, towards my nose, all right? Let's get into the stretch, okay? So, I'm going to lie on the ground, hopefully on a mat, some soft surface. Now, when I put into tension, there's a particular set of ligaments run up the spine, anterior and posterior. We're going to put those into a little bit of tension. How do we do that? We're going to bring our knees towards our chest. Now, you're not lifting way up like that and put a lot of force in your abdominal muscles. It's still a small lift, just a tiny, tiny little bum lift there, okay? Gives a little bit of tension in the whole of the spine. That's what we want. Outside edges of the feet out, and both. Toes towards my knees, okay? That's the bottom position set. Now, arms, remember, turn the inside edges towards my nose, both arms, fingers back, okay? That's the upper body set position. Now the head position is a little bit tricky. You make a double chin first, pull your chin in, then you're gonna lift the head up, maybe just an inch, 2.5 centimeters or so, small little gap, okay? Hold that position. Now, I want you to push your arms up towards the ceiling, vertically. At the same time, push your chin all the way through my neck and towards the floor, keeping yourself 1 inch off the floor, okay? Don't forget a little bum lift, outside edges out, toes towards knees, hold that position. Push with roughly 50% of your power, push the arms away from you, chin down. Now, when you relax, keep the chin in, bring the head down, keep the chin in, legs, relax. Now, let me go for that one a little bit more slowly this time, okay? There's a lot of things going on with the head and the arms. We're trying to create opposite tension here with the arms going one way, okay, the shoulder girdle is pushing up, and the chin is pushing down towards the ground. Now, a lot of people in the beginning, they struggle, okay, to actually support the head off the ground. These muscles get very tired here, they start shaking. Headaches can sometimes occur, they're very weak. So what I do, it's a little bit of a cheat, okay? Just get a small towel, roll it up a couple of inches apart. we're going to be putting that at the top part of our head here. Okay, we're going to lie on that, right? That's going to give us a little bit of pressure so we can support our heads on there, and then we can push the chin down. So basically, when I'm on the back, my chin's pushing through, so it's going that way, okay? So we're going to use this time. Now, I talk funny because obviously I'm making a double chin, right? And you will too. So we go down. Okay, I'm too far forward here, so bring this back a little bit. Okay, so that's good to position it just towards the top part of my head. Okay, it's there. Yep, should be fine. Okay, so outside edge of my feet out, toes towards my knees, small bum lift, arms up my shoulders, rotate so the inside part of my arms is towards my nose, fingers back. Drive the arms up, 50% of my power. So I'm not going really hard. Just want to push, bring the stretch on. Then I push my chin towards the floor. And I maintain that for 10, 9, 8, get the bum lifted, 7, 6, keep pushing away, 5, 4, breathe and don't hold your breath, 2, 1. Okay, relax the legs, chin. When I take this away, keep my chin tucked in and relaxing the flow. The reason I tell you to keep your chin tucked in when you bring the head either down to the ground without the towel or when you take the towel away, down, is you only be here and then you go, oh, and just like forcibly throw your head back, okay? Might cause a little issue, some extra aggravation in the back of your neck. So, one more time. We're going to bring the towel in, okay? It's going to do for 10, maybe try 15 seconds this time. It's here, okay? Top part of my head. Lower body comes up, little bum lift. Outside edges of my feet out, toes towards my knees. Arms above my shoulders, fingers back, inside edge of the arms towards my nose. I drive up to the ceiling, make a double chin, push that chin through my cervical spine. Holding, keep my bum lifted up off the ground. Breathing naturally, big deep breaths. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax slowly. Okay, now to make sure nobody hurts themselves, okay, as can happen when you're working out at home. A couple of things about how often you should do this, daily, every day, 3 times a week, whatever. What should you do? Okay, when you start with this particular stretch, it's like any exercise, okay? When you start something new, the body has to get used to it, adapt to it. If you go 100% power with those stretches, really like, forcing hard, you're really pushing, you're gonna be sore the next day, okay? So, like I just did today, we did 10 seconds, took a small break, then we did 15 seconds. And I used the towel as well. So I recommend if you've never tried this stretch before, start with the towel, okay? Start with 3 sets of 10 seconds, 2 seconds between each set of 10 seconds, right? Just relax, 1, 2, breath, and then go again, okay? Just do it one time. Then go about your day and maybe try it again later in the day, okay? So you can do it twice in that one day, 10 seconds, 2 second rest, 10 seconds, 2 second rest, 10 seconds with the towel. Now, as far as the power goes, start with 50, maybe 60% of your power. Work up to 100% gradually over 7 to 10 days. Really try to fuel the stretch first, and then as you get more comfortable, you learn to relax the face, you can work up the power, okay? As far as how long you want to hold it for, okay, we're starting with those 3 10-second holds twice a day. After maybe 2-3 days, go for 15-second holds. So you're doing 3 times 15 seconds holds twice a day. After another 2 days, 3 days, go for 20-25 seconds, okay? 3 times. When you can do 25 seconds, 3 times in a row with 2-second break, I want you to drop the 3 times and go to 1 minute constant, all right? Might take you a week, 10 days to get there. I'm gonna go 1 minute constant, okay? Now, if that's the first time you do 1 minute, maybe do it at 56% of your power, so you feel comfortable, because it's a long time to hold that position, okay? And then you go for that full minute. You can do it twice a day. You can do it 3, 4, 5 times a day, but for most people, time allows twice a day is fine. Before bed is a really important time to do it to help set your spine before you sleep. Try to avoid these types of stretches first thing in the morning. So when your discs are fully hydrated, it can actually exacerbate problems, so I would not recommend it first thing in the morning. As for removing the towel, once you've got up to 1 minute with the towel, okay, I want you to go back, take the towel away, Then go back to your 3 times 10 seconds with a 2-second break without the towel and build up from there. Okay, so eventually be able to hold it for 1 minute without a towel, 1 inch approximately off the ground, all right? Hopefully this will give you some relief if you've got disc problems in the back of your neck, the herniated discs, bulging discs, referred nerve pain. Any questions, guys, please hit me up in the comments down below. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and I'll talk to you all next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.